You guys, today I have made a delicious rosemary old fashioned. I'm like super proud of myself because I actually made my own simple syrup. I had no idea it was so easy. You just boil equal parts water and sugar, and then you can stir in any sort of flavoring you want. I am using Jameson Caskmates whiskey, just a splash of water, some bitters, the simple syrup, and then a little rosemary garnish for your pleasure. You guys, please forgive my voice. I don't really know what it sounds like, but honestly, it feels just like sandpaper to me. I have this raging sinus infection, so whiskey, do your magic. Today I thought I would do a last minute holiday gift guide for you guys. A lot of us are super busy and we wait until the week before to do all of our shopping. Okay, I had to put a lozenge in my mouth because I am like coughing up a lung over here. So I've gone ahead and created a list for you guys of things that I think are great gift ideas. A lot of them are obviously products that I'm a big fan of. And a lot of these products are things that I think would work for a lot of different kinds of people. So let's just get into it. First, let me take a drink. It's good. So Pharmacy Beauty has a gift set. It's called the Mighties. It's basically 4 of their best selling minis. You guys know I'm a huge fan of the Honey Potion mask as well as their Green Clean Balm. A lot of you have asked me if I had to choose one mask, what my favorite would be. And to this day, I have to go with the Honey Potion. After I use it, I can feel it, I can see it. I feel like my skin is regenerated. It looks rosy, it looks fresh. It's hydrating. It's also full of antioxidants. Just obsessed with this. So this includes minis of their Honey Potion mask, their Green Clean Cleansing Balm, their Honey Drop Moisturizer, and their Sleep Tight Firming Night Balm. And then you also get a bonus Do It All Eye Cream sachet. This retails for $45, and I just think it's the perfect thing for really anyone. You could give this to a dude, honestly. And if you're kind of like, oh, I could never give that to a dude, he'd totally roll his eyes, you know what I have to say to that? Hey dudes, do you have a face? Oh, you do? Cool. Do you want your face to actually look good as it gets older? Or are you trying to be cool and say you don't really care? I don't know though. I have to look at your face all the time. So here, take this and start using it immediately. The next item on my list is the Bite Beauty 4 Little Bites Amuse Bouche lipstick set. Now you can get this on Sephora.com. You can also get it on Bite's website. I realize that I haven't featured Bite Beauty a lot in my videos, which is really strange because I have 2 of their lipsticks and I absolutely love their formula. I feel like they are just blowing up and they are like the go-to lipstick brand. My friend Cate actually told me about this set and she is obsessed with it. She wore it to her holiday party the other night and she sent me a picture and my jaw was like on the floor. She looked banging. This is a $45 value. It's usually $25 and I believe it's $15 right now. So run, do not walk. This is the perfect gift for a lipstick lover. They're like little teeny minis, but you'll be surprised how long they last. I think it's such a cute holiday idea. It's even a good stocking stuffer. You know what? This garnish is a good idea, but it's like really getting in the way. The next gift is perfect for someone who is really concerned with natural beauty, non-toxic beauty. This is a company I found out about recently because they actually reached out to me. And so I did a little research on their brand. It's called Folane. They have several physical store locations throughout the US. They also have an online store and they're all about non-toxic beauty. So they went ahead and sent me their essential kit. I'm not sponsored by Folane. I don't receive any money from them. They just sent me this product and I've been using it for the last week or so and I really love it. First of all, it comes with this like really handy dandy canvas bag. It says, I like my products like I like my people. Non-toxic. You better preach, Folane! This is also just a great gift for someone who travels a lot because you kind of have all of your skincare right here. The deal with Folane is they carry a bunch of really high-end non-toxic beauty. So it's all kinds of brands, some of which you will recognize. They carry RMS, they carry Osea. They carry a lot of amazing brands. You get the Osea Ocean Cleanser, which is made with sea minerals and organic red algae. You get the Indie Lee CoQ10 Toner. This has hyaluronic acid and aloe in it, so it's very soothing. You get the Ursa Major Golden Hour Recovery Cream. It's incredibly thick and a little bit is gonna go a really long way. Also, all of these products smell like heaven. You also get a little Folane soap. It says you can use this for hand and body, dish, counter, dog, delicates, kids, and everything. Okay, so this is originally $45. It's on sale for $22. And you also get a little $10 off coupon if you want to go ahead and buy the full size of any of these products. Also, if you guys want to try out Filane, I have included a 15% off code right below this video. Next up are gift sets from Glossier. This is a great gift to give someone who is a hardcore makeup lover or someone who is just starting to get into makeup because their products are so easy to use. So they have two sets I recommend. One is the makeup set. It comes with Cloudpaint, Boy Brow, and Lash Slick. You of course get to choose the color of your Cloudpaint and your Boy Brow. If you're unsure of what someone's eyebrow color is, they do have clear. So this is $40 and you're saving $10 by getting all of these products in a bundle. The second set I recommend is the Boy Brow and Haloscope Duo. Obviously you get a Boy Brow, you get a Haloscope. I recommend getting Haloscope in the color Quartz. It is just a really universally flattering color. I have it on my cheeks today. So that's $30 and you're saving $8 with that bundle. The great thing about Glossier is that they do a great job with their packaging year round. So your gift recipient is going to automatically get one of their famous bubble pink pouches. And you also get really fun stickers inside. And I'm sorry, but like, who doesn't love stickers? You guys, I've been binge watching my Christmas movies. I had to watch White Christmas the other night. And you know, as much as I've always wanted to be Rosemary Clooney in that movie, upon further inspection, I think I actually want to be Bing Crosby. He was just giving you all the most ridiculous 1950s slang, and I'm here for it. Oh boy, why don't we all gather around the tree, watch the kiddies open the presents while we have a hot toddy. Hey, you cats, come over here. We're gonna have a swinging time. We put together a real slam bang finish for you. This one here is a tall, cool blonde. This one here is like a scat back brunette. Say what now? You grow up watching these movies, and I'll never forget the first time I started realizing that these MGM stars actually were like the most troubled people you've ever heard of. Bing Crosby is beating his children. Judy Garland thinks she's fat and she's just like hopped up on pills all of her life. Joan Crawford is batshit crazy and she's screaming at her children about wire hangers and steaks. The 50s were great. The next thing I want to talk about is my favorite body lotion, point blank, and if someone just gave me a lifetime supply, I would not be mad about it. The Origins Ginger Souffle Whipped Body Cream. I think I found out about this because it was one of Oprah's favorite things like years and years ago. When I went home to Las Vegas a couple weeks ago, my mom had some of this lotion and it totally rekindled my love for it. I know lotion isn't the most exciting thing. When I come home and put this lotion on after a hot shower, it's just so luxurious. It's so hydrating. The smell of it is just like a spa. It's creamy, but it's fresh. The large size of this retails for $37. They also have a body wash when you put the two together. Magic. Next up, I want to mention these gifts from Lush that are personal favorites of mine. You could give them to someone you don't even know that well. You know, you could walk into that store and like not leave for hours, except you probably won't do that because the salespeople will make you want to run for the hills. But everyone at Lush, no talking. Stop talking to me. So I'm gonna make it really easy for you so you can walk right in, get your product, and get out. You guys know how I feel about their cup of coffee mask. It comes in a small and a large size. The small is $11.95 and the large is $22.95. I just think this is a great unisex product. Who doesn't love coffee? Who doesn't love a mask? Come on. And then their Magic Crystals Peppermint Potion Scrub. I have recently discovered this and I cannot say enough about it. For some reason, I started kind of like breaking out in my chest area recently. I started using this scrub and my chest completely cleared up. So it's a cleansing and exfoliating scrub that has peppermint, spearmint, rosemary, sage, Epsom salt, and sea salt in it. It's also purple. The other movie I revisited the other night was Love Actually. Even though there's that creepy stalker storyline with Keira Knightley where the dude is in love with her but she's with his best friend, Love Actually, I forgive you. I mean, it's ridiculous, but it's so delightful. That storyline with Emma Roberts and Alan Rickman where he buys that necklace for his secretary, I don't think I can revisit that movie. That's too much. And it doesn't even get resolved. I don't even feel good about it at the end. The last interaction we see them have is him like asking her how she is and she's like, I'm fine. I'm fine. Well, I don't feel good about that. Alan Rickman, I'm sorry, but you done fucked up. Can I just ask you, how did everyone end up at the airport together at the end? Where are y'all going? I was willing to suspend my disbelief, Love Actually, but now you've gone too far. Okay, so I wanted to include an item that is specifically for men on this list because men, not all men, calm down if you're a man, but for the most part, men are big babies and they basically need something that says, this is a man's product in order for them to feel okay about it. Okay. Here we go. This is a skincare set from Kiehl's. It is called the Men's Heavy Lifters. So it has their Age Defender Cleanser, Power Serum, Moisturizer, and eye cream. Listen, for the most part, men want everything to just be cut and dry and simple, okay? So that's what this kit is. And it can be a teachable moment. You can teach them about skincare. Honey, this is a product that you put under your eyes and then you won't have giant Walter Matthau bags. Yeah, how about that? This is originally valued at $77 and it retails for $68. So listen, you got someone on your list who loves beauty, they have everything, they're an expert, you're like, I don't know what to get them. I've got it. I cannot say enough about Luxie brushes. I think they are some of the best brushes out there. And right now they have a collector's brush set. It is the Luxie Wonder Woman brush set. The handle has the Wonder Woman logo on it, and it's also like fun and like woman power and Marvel, and who doesn't want those things? It's a set of essential face brushes. Honestly, no one can really have enough brushes. This set is $95, and right now on their site it's going for $47.50, which is an insane deal. It's like 50% off. So and last but not least, you guys know how much I love BoxyCharm. I just think it is the best beauty subscription service out there. If you really want to give the gift that keeps on giving, I cannot suggest it enough. It's $21 a month and you get 4 to 5 full-size beauty products. 6 months of BoxyCharm would be $116. If you want to be super generous and give someone the full year of BoxyCharm, it's $231 and you're basically getting 1 month free. I hope you guys enjoy my gift guide, even if it's just something you want for yourself. If you guys are digging on my channel, please like, subscribe, and share, and click that little bell right beneath the video. That is going to alert you anytime I drop a new video. I hope whatever you guys do over the holiday, you're safe and you have a great time with the ones you love. Okay, bye! Okay, I'm over this.